Parts Undroned flies under FFA certification, with local approval specific to each location. Do not try this at home, or anywhere else.
Daddy, come see Bud. That works too.
Hello and welcome to episode 3 of Parts Undroned. This week we'll be leaving Dauphin Island and going to Pedernales Falls, Texas.
Over there?
Come on, buddy.
It said something about 3 people this year have had to be saved from like heat stroke or something.
This.
What's going on over here?
I messed up.
Uh-oh, what'd you do?
I didn't check that the batteries were all charged before we left the house.
Wah, wah. What's our next step?
Cry about it.
And then?
Rethink the plan.
What's the game plan, Captain?
So the plan was to start from right here. And go all the way up to the falls, preferably following the river all the way up. But with 60% battery and this much being a mile, I don't think that we're gonna make it. We can start from right here, is where we were whenever we were able to take a little detour. I'll show you right there. So I think that's what we do. Just see if we can go straight there, go around it and come back. I have a feeling we'll get there at like 40% battery. It's probably gonna want to come back at like 40 or 30. And then, as we know, 15% it crashes.
Yep.
So we need to be back. We need to be back at 20%. We'll check it out.
Sounds good. Headed to the falls.
Headed straight to 53% battery.
We have 0.9 miles from our spot we're at right now to the falls.
So we are now upon the maiden voyage to the falls. In the meantime, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can catch every new episode as it airs on Wednesdays. You could also support us on patreon.com/partsundroned for early access to episodes, exclusive content, merchandise, and more. We've got more to come, guys. Thank you for taking the ride with us, and we're looking forward to many more ahead.
There's our little swimming spot.
It's gorgeous. I'm excited to drop that footage. See it on TV.
So we came in on the beach right there earlier, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then when we walked around it, we were walking on all those rocks. Right there in the center of the screen is where we were dipping our toes.
Mm-hmm. I think so.
And there's like one more wall, and I think it's what's in the center of the screen too, where we were gonna go up there, but it's too hot.
This highest point here?
I think it's a couple little ponds above that.
Further up there.
I think it's right there. Alright.
%.
Totally lost connection.
Ah, crap.
I don't see anything. There we go. Oopsie. Yeah, our connection's bad. Not getting anything. Are you seeing it?
You can't see with the glare.
Alright, let's return to home.
Oh, there we go. Success. Looks gorgeous.
That looked awesome.
And just like that, we have episode 3 of Parts Undroned. At Pedernales Falls, we saw the Pedernales River. We saw the Pedernales Falls. We saw that Stonehenge thing. Despite our lack of battery, despite our limitations, we saw it out. We made an adventure. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, or don't. Either way, we'll see you next week.